Here's a quick video showing where the ambient temperature sensor is on a 2014 Jetta GLi. So we're underneath the car, as you can see. This is the intercooler and turbo inlet piping that is situated at the front of the car, and this is the left side of the intercooler. And so right above that, you got a harness. As you can see, it branches from the horn and then over here to the fog light, and then the harness would be right here going up into this little plastic loom. But if you're missing the harness and you're trying to find it, then as you can see, I got my two cables literally sticking out of that harness, that loom. That's where you'll find them at. So just future reference for anybody that's trying to change their ambient temperature sensor on this generation car. This is a 2014, but it should be the same on anything from 2010 to honestly 2010 upwards to 17, 18. I imagine it all should be, for the most part, should be the same on a Jetta. And yeah, it's just on the left. It's on the lower left hand side. You can see the back side of the fans basically. That's a good way to keep your eye out for it. It's literally right to the left of the fan, and normally you'd see the harness for the ambient temperature sensor actually coming down out of that ribbed kind of shared location. But since I'm missing the whole harness, I had to actually open that up, and I opened it up and I saw those wires in there, so I just pulled them out. So that's why they're sticking out like that. But so you'll definitely have to open up that that plastic loom. There's a clip that comes off of it is also, but if you get the clip off and then open that plastic loom up, you should see your harness wires if you're missing the entire harness. All right, so there you go. I couldn't find a video that showed this, and so that's why I decided just to make this one video, because it took me forever. And I asked so many different people on how to find this, and they kind of didn't really know. So hope this helps anybody else out there looking to replace their sensor or just kind of rewire the harness like I'm about to do. Good luck.